would like to say thank you for creating an amazing machine called the Amiga computer way back in the days. Let me know if anyone remembers the computers and like what they did with their computer at the time. Now I'm old enough to remember the Commodore 64 and all those things like that, but it was the Amiga 500 that created and launched my career kind of thing, and it just opened up a world I can't explain. That was amazing and wonderful, and so I have to say thank you, Amiga people, all over the world, wherever you are. You created something wonderful, and it lives on. It always will be. At least I hope it does. And today, look where we are, baby. We did it. And it's all because of you. You.